In the realm of romance, a woman will become attracted to a man when she experiences a change from feeling insecure to feeling secure, or from feeling unhappy to feeling happy. Conversely, it's challenging to make a woman interested if she already feels secure and happy. Therefore, the first step to attract a woman is to take away her happiness and sense of security. This might sound harsh, but it's a weakness shared by all women. If you can manipulate this, you'll know what it's like to be pursued by a woman and to easily win over the one you desire. However, there are some other rules to understand, so make sure you watch this video till the end. First, get to know the woman and criticize her. If you're targeting a particular woman, start by getting to know her. Meet her in person and communicate physically, not just through social media. The more often you meet and talk, the better. The key is to understand her well, especially her flaws and weaknesses. Because it is through these flaws that you can take away her happiness and sense of security. You might ask, what can make a woman unhappy and insecure? The answer is anxiety, which is the main enemy of all women, and it usually arises when a woman becomes aware of her flaws or weaknesses. Your first manipulation tactic is to make the woman aware of her flaws through subtle criticism. For instance, if she's sensitive about her weight, don't call her fat but mention how her clothes look tight. Repeat this criticism during your conversations until she becomes conscious of her flaw. Second, keep your distance and limit communication. After consistently criticizing her, slowly distance yourself from her life. Disappear for a while and focus on yourself, on your work, business, or self-improvement. When you suddenly vanish, she will start to believe that you're distancing yourself because of her flaws. At this stage, she will feel anxious, and her happiness and sense of security will be shattered. Essentially, this second manipulation tactic allows you to focus on becoming the best version of yourself while simultaneously making your target feel uneasy. Third, provide validation to ease her anxiety. At this stage, re-enter her life and give her validation to ease her anxiety. Simply put, you caused her pain, but you also heal it. For instance, when you meet again, tell her you actually like her body shape and that it's your ideal. Give her confidence-boosting comments to make her feel happy and secure again. Remember the romance concept: a woman is attracted to a man who changes her from insecure to secure, unhappy to happy, and unconfident to confident. If you've reached this stage, congratulations, you've fully manipulated her and made her interested in you. She may even become dependent on your validation. To recap: 1. Learn her flaws and make her aware of them to induce anxiety. 2. Distance yourself to increase her anxiety while you focus on self-improvement. 3. Return and provide validation to make her feel secure and confident again. This might seem harsh, but it depends on your intention. If your goal is to find a long-term partner, it can be a beneficial strategy. However, if your intent is to exploit, it becomes malicious. Ultimately, you reap what you sow. Good intentions will yield positive results, while bad intentions will bring negativity. That's the end of this video. Hope it helps.